Hey y'all, so what I'm showing you today is a small grocery haul from Food Lion, just enough to last me the next few days. So what I'm starting with here is my champagne, which is Ballator Grand Spumante, about a $10 bottle, great for mimosas. I also have party cups, the red cups, 100 count of those, I go through them so fast. I also have some straws, and of course I needed to buy the TP, Scott's brand, napkins, as well as baby wipes, the kind with no scent. I also like tea, and I like to drink iced tea with nothing added, so I like the fruit tea sampler, and I wanted to try this ginger peach turmeric. It sounds like it'd be delicious on a nice hot day. I have my pineapple, my avocados, red onions. Look at this tomato, perfect for slicing, a beautiful green bell pepper. I'm growing these in my garden this year. I'm pretty excited about that. I love snacking on these little Kirby cucumbers. They are a nice size. I have my carrots, garlic, and ginger. Also some honey ham from Carolina Pride, made here in South Carolina. I have some string cheese, as well as some New York sharp cheddar, mango peach applesauce, and also this chocolate and banana pudding is for my grandma. I have my brioche buns. I love this, and it's going to go with my prime rib burgers. That's also what the tomato is for. And then I have some chicken breast from Food Lion that was on a good sale, and I love my fresh herbs, so I have rosemary and cilantro that I'm just gonna pot up. Yeah, and so this was my grocery haul. Nothing too big, just a few great items. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.